students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. PowerPoint special effects. In this chapter we are going to learn about some special effects of PowerPoint software. Now tech goals of this chapter are: stepwise learning approach, express the topic attractively using different templates, enhance the presentation by applying formatting effects and inserting objects. So these are the major goals which we are going to discuss or accomplish in this chapter. So let's have an introduction. PowerPoint is a computer program used to create slideshows. It helps us present information in a neat and colorful way. Special effects in PowerPoint make our slides more attractive and interesting. We can use built-in templates that give our slides a ready-made design. Color schemes can be applied to change the look of text, backgrounds and headings. Different fonts and styles can also be used to make the slides look beautiful. We can insert pictures to make the representation clear and eye-catching. PowerPoint also allows us to insert shapes and clipboard to decorate the slides. These objects make the presentation fun, creative and easy to understand. With the special effects, our presentation become lively and enjoyable for everyone. So as we all know, PowerPoint is a program where we can use or create a slide show so that our presentation look better. Even then, the PowerPoint software allows you to use so many templates, so many interesting color themes, schemes and backgrounds and headings, even shapes, so that you can make your presentation lively and enjoyable for everyone. PowerPoint from Microsoft is an effective tool for presentations. It facilitates efficient communication for your opinions and ideas. So if you want to express your opinions and ideas and thoughts, so the PowerPoint is the best presentation program. Built-in templates. A template is a presentation arrangement that has already been created and includes unique formatting and designs. Starting a new presentation might. So you can use built-in templates. These templates is a presentation arrangement that is already inbuilt in your presentation software. Benefit greatly for its time and effective savings. To make your presentation, you can quickly and easily use the different built-in templates that PowerPoint offers. So many templates are there which PowerPoint offers. You can use them to make your presentation attractive. These are the steps to make a presentation using a template. Click on the File tab and choose the New option. A list of templates is displayed when the Start screen appears. Double-click the thumbnail of the template you wish to use, or after viewing the template by clicking on the thumbnail, select the Create option. Additionally, you can make a presentation using the online templates. Type a term associated with the template you are looking for into the top of the page. Search box when the Start screen displays. Press the Search button or select one of the suggested searches that are listed beneath the search for field. For instance, choose the Education category. So here we will see how we can use a template in our presentation. First you have to go to File tab, then you have to choose a New option, then a list of templates will be displayed on your screen. You have to double click the thumbnail of the template which you want to use. So there are another options. When you apply a template by clicking on thumbnail, you have to select the Create option, and on top of that you have to, or you can make a presentation using the online templates also. You can download the templates online. You have to type the term associated with the template. Just for example, you want something on education or pollution, so you have to type the pollution in the search bar. An online template gallery will appear. After choosing the preferred template, press the create button. A new presentation with several slides including various backdrops will open. So when you will type the word, then the online templates gallery will appear in front of you related that search. So you have to choose the preferred template and you have to press the create button. So your new presentation with several slides including that backdrop will open. Now Tech Talk, click ribbon display options beneath the ribbon, then select quick access toolbar or quick access toolbar from the list to enable or hide the quick access toolbar. So you can click on ribbon so that you can display the quick access toolbar, you can hide it and you can show it back again. Speed quiz lists any one advantage of utilizing pre-made templates. It saves time. Now enhancing the look of a presentation similar to Word, PowerPoint offers a number of formatting options to make the slides look nice. So these are the number of formatting options as you can see in this picture. We will learn about them one by one, just like first one is font, bullets, numbering, decrease font size, and you can just increase font size from this option. Let's use these characteristics to change the presentation's appearance. Now changing font style. Choose the text that needs formatting. Select the font group on the home tab by clicking on the font drop down arrow. Choose any font style from the list of options and see how it changes. If you want to change the style of your font, you have to choose that text first, then you have to go to font group on the home tab and you can just click on the drop down arrow. Then you have to choose any font style from that list option. Now changing font size, the two methods to change the font size are as follows. To change a preferred font size, click the drop down arrow next to the font size or option in the font group and choose it from the list. So there are two methods how you can change the font size. You have to choose the preferred font size, then you have to click on the drop down arrow. Now you have to just click on the font size number, or you can choose the option in the font group. To change the font size, click the fonts groups, increase font size or decrease the font size option accordingly. Now if you want to increase the font size, for that you have to choose the increase font size, and if you want to decrease the font size, then you have to decrease font size option. You have to select that. Selecting font case, choose the text. On the home tab, select the change case drop down arrow located in the font group. From the list of alternatives provided, pick any desired situation. For changing font case, you have to choose that text first, then you have to go to home tab, then you have to select change case drop down arrow. From the list, you have to choose the desired option accordingly. Now changing alignments, the arrangement of text on a slide is referred to as alignment. To alter how the text appears on the slide, you can modify its alignment both vertically and horizontally. Now a presentation program offers you to align your text according to your preference. So first is vertical alignment. Choose the text, select the align text option by clicking its drop down arrow in the paragraph group on the home tab. From the list that appears, choose top, middle or bottom at the alignment you want. So for vertical alignment, you have to choose the text first. Then you have to go to select the alignment align text option, and from the drop down arrow you have to go to paragraph group and you have to just choose the list or option from the list. Horizontal alignment, by selecting the text and selecting one of the preferred alignment options such as aligned left or aligned right, center or justify found in the paragraph group on the home tab, you may align the text horizontally. So if you want to align your text horizontally, for that you have to select the text first, then you have to select one of the preferred alignment, like if you want to align the left, if you want to align the right, center, justify according to your preference. Creating bulleted and numbered list. Use the procedures listed below to make a list that are numbered or bulleted. Choose the paragraphs that you wish to use bullets on, or point the cursor where you wish the bullets to be applied. To access the bullets or the numbering options in the paragraph group, on the Home tab, click the drop down arrow next to it. Choose the preferred look from the presented gallery. If you want to apply list on your slides, for that you have to choose a bullet and numbers. And first you have to choose the paragraph where you wish to apply bullets. And you have to point the cursor where you wish to apply the bullets. And to access the bullets or numbering option, you have to go to in paragraph group. Then you have to click the arrow next to it and you have to choose the preferred look for your list. Now Tech Talk, both the normal view and the slider shorter view allow you to change the layout. Tech Talk again. Click the Insert tab, text box option from the text group to add a text box to the slide. To create the text box and enter content, drag the mouse across the slide. So there is an information given here. You have to just click on the Insert tab, then you have to go to text box option, and from the text box group you have to add the text box to add the text so that you can write something in your slide. Now changing color schemes. Fixed color schemes are included with every presentation. You have the options to change one slide or the presentation's entire color scheme. It is also possible to change the color of individual components on a slide, like the background and title. Slide any of the presentation slides. To access the themes group, choose the design tab. To make a theme apply to every slide, click on it or do a right click on the theme of your choice. When the shortcut menu displays choose apply to all slides, every slide will have the same topic. In the variant group, click the more drop down arrow and choose colors. If you want to change the color scheme, there are so many options for that. And if you want to change the background of your slide and you want to change the title of the slide, there are certain rules to follow. Like you have to slide any of the presentation slide and you have to just access it from the theme group. You have to choose the design tab also, and to make the theme apply to every slide you have to click on it. Otherwise you have to do a right click on the theme so that you can apply it on a particular slide. A shortcut menu will display in front of you. You have to choose apply to all slide if you want to apply that theme or color scheme to all slides. Then in the variant group you will have to click on the more drop down arrow so that you can choose more colors. Here you can see there are so many color schemes you can apply from that. Select the preferred color palette. Choose the option apply to all slides by right clicking on the color scheme. This will help or this will apply the color scheme to every slide. If you would like to apply the color scheme to just the selected slide, choose apply to selected slides. So you will have to choose the color from the color palette and you have to choose the option apply to all slides if you want to apply that color to all slides. Otherwise you have to select a particular slide, then you have to choose apply to selected slide. Now changing background color. A slide's background color pattern and texture can all be changed. Click the format background button in the customize group on the design tab. The format background task window will appear as shown in figure. From the list of options under the fill column, choose any fill section. So if you want to apply a color to your background, if you want to apply patterns, the texture, so there are some options. For that you have to click the format background button which is in the customize group on the design tab. Then a format background task window will open in front of you as you can see in this figure. This is your foreground background task window and you have to select the format which you want to apply on your slide. Press the color button, choose the more colors option from the list if you would like to choose a different color from those that are now displayed. A dialog box for colors appears. To select a desired color, click on the standard tab. Additionally, you can use the custom option to design your own color scheme. Press the OK button to apply the color scheme to every slide. Select the apply to all option. To close the format background task pane, click the close button. So you have to choose the color button first, then you have to choose more color, so that you can open the color palette and you can choose more colors, and a dialog box of colors will appear. You have to select your desired color and you have to click on standard tab. Then you can use the custom option, so that you can design your own color, which is called customization. So you can customize that also. Then you will press on OK button. To apply the color scheme to every slide, you have to select the apply to all option. Otherwise, you can choose the select to the present slide. And to close the format background, you have to just click on close button. Now TikTok Shift plus F5 is the shortcut key combination to launch a presentation. So if you want to launch a presentation, you have to type this shortcut key on your keyboard, which is Shift plus F5. Now inserting objects in a slides. To improve the appearance and feel of the slide, you can add various things. So if you want to make your slide more attractive, you can add different objects in your slide. First is inserting word art. You may generate decorative text with the aid of the word art tool. It provides the text a distinctive appearance. You may add 3D effects, curves, waves and shadows to the text by using word art. So these are your word art options, which can make your word or letters in 3D form or in curved form, in wavy form. So click the word art option in the text group on the insert tab. As seen in figure, the word art gallery opens on the screen. So this is your word art gallery, from which you can choose different letter styles for your text. You can choose any word art style. To enter text, substitute your text here with the placeholder. Choose this text now. On the format tab, select the word art styles group and then click the text field drop down arrow. Choose your preferred color and watch how it changes. So you have to follow these steps so that you can apply word art style to your text. So for that, you have to enter the text first and you will click on OK. Then you will see the effect on your text. Now select text outline using the drop down menu. Select the preferred outline color from the list that appears. Select the text effects menu item by clicking on it and navigate the glow variation. Choose your preferred effect from the glow variations area and then see how the text changes. So for a text outline, you have to select that and you can use a drop down menu for that. Then you have to select the preferred outline color so that you can apply that color to your word or text. Now you can select the text effect menu by clicking on it and you have to navigate to glow variation. Now you have to select the effects from this gallery so that you can change the text style. TikTok, by holding down the shift key and clicking on the necessary object, you can select multiple form objects. So by holding down the shift key, you can click on necessary objects and you can select multiple objects with the help of this. Now inserting pictures, it is true what they say, a picture speaks 1,000 words. A subject, a picture communicate its meaning more clearly than a prose description can. Images from the internet or file saved on a computer can be included to a presentation. So whenever you see a book without picture, you don't understand that, but when you see a book with lots of pictures, you understand that easily. So you can apply pictures on your slides too to make it attractive and understandable. So images can be downloaded from internet and you can just upload it from your computer also. Now inserting pictures from a file. Select the insert tab by clicking on it. Click on the pictures option in the images group, then choose this device option from the drop down list. The insert picture dialog box appears. Select the desired picture and click on insert. The chosen image will be included in the slide. So for inserting the picture from the file, first you have to click the file or choose the file from your computer, you have to just select the insert tab. By clicking on it, then you have to click on pictures option in the images group, and then you have to choose this device. This device means your computer. Then you have to click on the pictures when the dialog box appear in front of you, and then you have to click on insert tab. The chosen image will be applied or included to your slide, as you can see in this example. Now Tech Talk, choose the insert tab, pictures online, pictures to insert a photo from an online source. Select the necessary image and press the insert button. So you have to choose the insert tab first, then you have to go to pictures, then you can go to online pictures, so that you can download a picture to insert in your slide. Now inserting shapes. Shapes is a sketching tool that facilitates the incorporation of various shapes into a slide. They can also be colored, flipped, rotated and scaled. On the insert tab, select the shapes option located in the illustration group. There will be a drop down gallery with several categories such as flowchart, lines and rectangles displayed. Now you can choose or apply or insert different shapes to your slides. For that, you have to go to insert tab and you have to select shape options, which is located in illustration group. So you can choose different shapes from these categories. Any shape can be clicked. The plus sign appears in the place of the pointer. To draw the chosen item or form, set the pointer where you want it on the slide and drag it there. So whenever you choose a shape, you see your cursor will change into a plus sign, and you have to just drag and hold it down till your shape is made. Adding a text in a shape. Right click on the shape. After selecting it, using the shortcut menu, choose edit text. The shape's interior contain the insertion place. The text inside the shape can now be typed. As you can see in this diagram or picture, a rectangle is given here. You can just add a text in it. You have to just click on the shape, and then you have to choose the shortcut menu and you have to choose edit text. So the shape interior contain the insertion place will change, and you can type from here. Applying shadow effect to shapes. Any form can have the shadow effects applied to it. It will enhance the shape's striking appearance. Choose any shape. On the shape format tab, select the shape styles group and then click on the shape effects option. Now you can apply shadows effects to your shapes. This will make your shape more beautiful, and it will enhance it too. So for that, you have to choose any shape. Now you have to go to shape format tab and you have to select a shape style. Then you have to click on shape effect option. From the drop down list, choose the shadow option. To activate the cascading menu, click on the offset center option located in the outer subsection. The form will display the chosen effect. Again, you will see a drop down menu. You have to choose the shadow option. If you want to activate the cascading menu, you have to click on offset. Then the form will be displayed to chosen effect, as you can see in this picture. Now memory reload. A template is a presentation arrangement that has already been created and include unique formatting and design to make the presentation look nicer. PowerPoint also offers a number of formatting options. On the home tab, a slide's background, color, pattern and texture can all be changed. You may generate a decorative text with the aid of the word art tool. It provides the text a distinctive appearance. Images from the internet or files saved on the computer can be included to a presentation. Shapes is a sketching tool that facilitates the incorporation of various shapes in a slide. Now check your learning. Tick the correct option. Dash shapes group is available in the insert tab. So correct option is illustration. Which of the following method is inserting to a template is correct? It is a file and then new. The home tab's dash group is aligned horizontally, so it is your paragraph. Now choose the dash option from the shortcut menu to add text to a shape. It is add text. Next is fill in the blanks. A presentation pre-designed layout with unique formatting and design is called a, what it is called? So it is called templates. Next, select the text and click the dash option to align it vertically. It is align text. Third, the dash can be used to add shadow effects, curves or waves to text. It is word art. Fourth, a drawing tool called dash makes it easier to add various shapes to a slide. It is shapes. Fifth, the font group includes the dash and dash option. So it includes the font size and change case option. So third activity is write T for true and F for false. A PowerPoint template is a special design that you can use to presentation look nice. Yes, it is true. You can only change the color of slides background or not its pattern or text. No, it is false. Third, the word art tool helps you to make the text look fancy and different. Yes, it is true. Fourth, you can add images from the internet or your computer to a PowerPoint presentation. Yes, it is true. Fifth, the shapes tool in PowerPoint allows you to draw different shapes on your slide. Yes, it is true. Now answer the following questions. So some questions are given here. You have to answer them. A lab activity is given here. Create a PowerPoint presentation about save water by following the instructions. So you have to create this PowerPoint. Some steps are given here. What you have to do: launch the PowerPoint program and select a theme from the More Theme menu located on the screen's right side. In the screen search bar, type Earth and press enter. From the collection of example templates, select the template. Rename the presentation to owner. Save water. Modify the text color, style and size. Select the next section and enter March 22 as the celebration date. Format the text however you see fit. Use Ctrl+M to insert a new slide. So this is your picture related to that topic. Select insert, then picture, then stock images. To insert a picture, choose any image from the sample collection of images by selecting the environment subject. Click the insert button. Adjust the image size using the pictures. Handles save water should be typed. Select a file, save as, and give the file name save water celebration to it. Press the F5 key to launch the presentation. To exit PowerPoint, press Alt+F4. Now group discussion. Group the students and have them talk about the following topics. Different PowerPoint tools like, so you have to talk on these topics like text and animations. Project work, make a presentation on the topic 2024 World Cup won by Indian cricket team. So this is the topic, you have to make presentation on this topic. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.